If you have ever wanted Apple's dynamic island on Windows 11, congrats, you have found it. This mod brings a floating pill to your desktop that shows the time and date, live weather updates, you're currently playing Spotify or music info, a gaming overlay, and a lot more. And the best part, it is completely free. Let me show you how to set it up. Start by installing Windhawk. It is a free open source customization tool for Windows that let you inject small mods into the OS without touching any system files. So it is safe to install and just as easy to remove if you ever change your mind. Once Windhawk is installed and running, head to the mods library and search for Dynamic Island for Windows. Click install and just like that the pill will appear on your screen. Now let's make it yours. Open the mod setting tab and the first thing you can do is change its size to fit your screen and taste. Right below that, you can switch its shape from the default rounded pill to a more squared off look, depending on what you feels right. If you want it to blend into your desktop a bit more, lower the pill's transparency value to make it more see-through. There are also several modules packed into this thing, weather, media, battery and more. And you can turn off whichever ones you don't need. To get accurate weather, just type in your city name and hit save settings. If you are a gamer, there is also a game overlay mode you can enable, which keeps the island active and useful even while you are playing. One setting I had definitely turned on is always on top. That way the island stays visible above the every other windows instead of getting buried. And finally, if you want to change the overall look, right click the dynamic island and pick from the available themes until you find one that matches your setup. That's it, a fully functional dynamic island right on your Windows desktop. If you found this useful, drop a comment and leave a like. It genuinely helps the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.